Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream.
Oh shit. Meron pa pre. Meron pa. Diyan na. Hey, how's it going?
Hi there.
Long time. I'm back. Sorry it took long.
That's okay. You still want 10?
Yes,
Okay.
I want the 10. Looks good.
So 56 is your total. You can
We
tap
did
or
it.
insert. There we go. Did you want your receipt?
No, that's good.
All right. Well, thank you very much. Have a
Thank
great
you.
weekend.
Hey, you too.
See
Thank
ya.
you. Let's go. Let's give them about the people, one by one.
I'm working on dying.
Said you belong to the streets.
You got one? It's pretty red, bros. It's not bad, right?
Hi.
Hi.
Do you mind to put your backpack in the front of the chair?
I'll just be here quickly.
I know.
I just want to get to see you.
Oh, how come?
I'll be out.
Thank you so much. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
I was just right
Enjoy
out.
my day. Thank you.
It's great to hear. Put it down, man. Yes, sir. See me next quick. Quick and easy. You know? Get on to the next store, man. Alright, y'all. Let's do it. So before I go ahead and start my shit, it's a small town, so we'll make somebody happy, alright? Let's do it. So now I'm begin. Yung mga babaeng yun. Okay, welcome. What's your name?
Manfred.
Ah, that's a nice name. I just want to give you have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey,
You making
my name's Apollo. What's your name? Nadia. Here you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's very sweet.
I hope you like flowers. Welcome. You have a good day, all right? Yeah. Have a good day, Nadia.
Yeah,
Where they at?
they're in Inwood. Yeah, I got a couple. I got a few brothers and sisters in the city.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
So you just walking around? You got a car or something?
Yeah. No, I don't got a car. No.
All right,
Just
bro.
walking around.
Hey, have a good day, bro.
Thanks, man. You too.
Yeah. Shit, man. Nancy, you need some help, bro. You needed that help, you know? I love this. It's a good day. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Let's go to the library. How you guys doing? Okay, good. I'll show you. You guys go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Whoops.
I got it.
Thank you.
How's it going? Here you go.
Oh,
You're welcome.
thank you.
Hey, you have a good day. What's your name? What's your name? Jesse. Nice to meet you. All right, have a good. Let's go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, well.
Oh.
Yeah, I got it. Let's do it. You know, doing this just makes you, feel good. Makes you feel good about yourself. Doing something out of your comfort zone is really something that you guys should do. I'm not saying you guys should not gonna do it. I'm just saying, step out your comfort zone, man. Everybody live once for a reason. Meron pre. Wait lang. Hey, excuse me? Hey, how's it going? What's your name?
Julia.
Julia? Nice to meet you, Julia. My name is Apollo. You got a boyfriend?
I do, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. You know, I just want to give you these flowers. Hey, have a good day. She got a boyfriend, but that's fine, you know? We just giving her flowers. Nothing too much, huh? So we got a plan, all right? We don't want to come up too aggressive. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit down acting like we're going to order something. And after she comes, that's when we go crazy. Hey, how's it going?
How are you guys?
Good, you?
Good.
That was beautiful.
It's a nice day finally.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Alright, here's the game plan, y'all. If she comes, she's do it. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you? Can I just see your IDs?
We're gonna be here quickly, so I just want to give you this.
Oh,
Yeah, what's your name?
thanks, McKenna.
McKenna, nice to meet you. Okay, y'all. There's the last one right here. You know, it's been a great day. I think we've already done this for 1 hour now. I like it. It feels good. Act of kindness, seeing people's reaction. It's great. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, looks like, okay, we're gonna act like we're gonna buy some. Oh, no. All right, we're gonna buy some candies. Okay, let's get this day done, man.
Have a great day.
How's it going? Po? Sa Walmart po. Opo. Kayo po ba?
Ano pa? School trip.
School po.
Your phone number?
Ano? Sige po. Ingat po. Stay.
440.
Yeah. Oh, right here? Okay. Sige po. Ingat po. Hey, what's your name?
Violet.
Violet? It's a pretty name. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. I see it. You already know, man. Candy. Huh? Mission accomplished. It's done. The mission is done, man. You know, it's been a great day. About to go hoop. And I think that's it for today. Nothing really much. Well, it's good.
Record ko na. Sige lang.
Fun.
Ano man? Hindi nakita eh.
Okay lang. Okay na, bro. Basketball.
PL in the building. Oh, I'm in the zone, man. Yeah.
Now tell me who can stop me. I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W. I'ma bring it home when it's over with. I'ma be the king of the throne. Now who can stop me? I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W. I'ma bring it home when it's over with. I'ma be the king of the throne. I'm in the zone. Look, I'm in the zone. The competition whack. Tell them let's get it on. My hustle game crazy and I'ma finish strong.